Phone number is 223 234. I'm just making these numbers up. 0600. I'm going to select no this time, and how many are attending. So none of them are attending, so just submit. So let's close this. Let's enter one more entry. So just have take a look at it, how it is looking. So your name is James. Your phone number is 123 6. Yes. And how many you're attending to. So let's just submit this form up here again. Since we have 3 entries up here, it should show 3 responses. Now we can see the who are attending test 1, test 2, and James.